Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a product that Ruben nags us about semi-frequently and always tells me we don't get enough in.
It's not just we haven't had enough in, we haven't seen these in years, Michael. We're talking about the Royal Canadian Mint 10-ounce minted bar. I remember getting these fairly soon after I started here. Kind of that 2020
We've
kind
had
of time.
them in since then.
But I remember them back then and they were super popular, and I've had lots of people through the store asking about them, and it has been quite a while.
They are incredibly popular, and Ruben's not wrong. We quite often bring them in and they sell out, and he's usually proven right where he goes, you should have brought in more.
Is that how I sound? All right. But yeah, very cool product. It kind of, fills a bit of a gap since Perth Mint haven't done their 10 ounce for a while. This is a really nice middle ground between the 1 ounce size and the kilo.
As much as I'm stirring Ruben about it, they are actually a beautiful bar and they do an incredible job with them. So you can see here, it is just a standard Royal Canadian Mint minted bar, but we don't get them. The guys that are watching this in Canada and the US are going, what are you talking about? They see them every day.
Come on.
You don't see them in Australia very often because they do take a bit to import in. So we have gone to the hassle of importing them in. They're here, they're a beautiful bar. You can see there, Royal Canadian Mint on the top, and then in French underneath, obviously 10 ounce 4 nines. You can see on the flip side of it, that beautiful maple leaf impression on the back. And then the one they do in a nice shiny finish, just to stand out.
Very cool.
They all come in these protective plastic sleeves, and they are just, quote unquote, they are just a 10 ounce, the just 10 ounce minted bar in silver, but they are a very, very, very nice product. We have brought in a decent chunk, but we haven't brought in bucket loads of them. So if they're on your wish list, make sure you grab them earlier rather than later, because they are a pain to bring in, so I don't know when the next lot will arrive.
Prove me right, everyone. I've been saying to our stock guy, come on, please throw these in on an order. So if they sit up there for ages, he's going to be at me saying, see, I told you, this is why we didn't get them through. So there's a part of me hoping these go pretty quickly, but we will wait and see.
I can ensure they'll go quickly. Look, these will be around for at least 24 hours.
There you go. Thanks, Michael. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See you soon.